Here is our list of the top 5 best air mattresses you can get right now. The King Koil Luxury Mattress is a premium inflatable bed that combines comfort, durability, and convenience in a compact design. It features a high-speed built-in pump that inflates the mattress in just 60 seconds and stands 20 inches tall for easier access. Its coil beam construction offers sturdy support, while the soft flock top enhances comfort. Raised edges add security, and the non-slip base ensures stability on various floor types. Built from puncture-resistant waterproof materials and supporting up to 600 pounds, it's ideal for home use, guests, dorms, or camping. It's also portable and available in multiple color options. The Intex Dura-Beam pillow top is a budget-friendly portable inflatable bed, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Available in different sizes, it features a built-in electric pump for quick inflation and a 10-inch height for easy access. Its integrated pillow adds neck support, while the velvety flock top enhances comfort. Built with fiber-tech interior construction using high-strength polyester fibers, it offers improved support and durability. Lightweight and compact for easy storage, it supports up to 600 pounds, making it a reliable option for guests or travel. The SleepLux Durable Inflatable Mattress is a high-quality airbed designed for comfort, durability, and convenience. It features a built-in AC pump that inflates the mattress in about 5 minutes, a Tri-Tech 3-layer construction for strength and firmness, and an integrated pillow for added neck support. A built-in USB port allows device charging, while the raised design, up to 22 inches, mimics a traditional bed for easier access. Supporting up to 700 pounds, it comes with a storage bag and repair patch. Its quick setup, sturdy build, and added comforts make it ideal for guests or travel. The Serta raised mattress is a premium inflatable bed offering reliable comfort and durability, ideal for guests or temporary use. Its standout feature is the never-flat dual pump system. A primary pump handles fast inflation and deflation, while a secondary silent pump maintains chosen firmness all night. The 18-inch raised design mimics a traditional bed, while internal coils and a flock top provide even support and added comfort. Made from puncture-resistant materials, it supports up to 500 pounds and includes an auto shut-off, built-in cord storage, and a carry bag for easy transport. The SoundAsleep Dream Series with ComfortCoil technology and built-in high-capacity pump is a top-rated inflatable bed designed for comfort, durability, and ease of use. Featuring 40 internal air coils, it provides enhanced support and maintains a flat, firm surface throughout the night. The patented one-click internal pump ensures quick inflation and deflation, reaching full firmness in under 4 minutes. Its double-height design offers the feel of a traditional mattress, making it easier to get in and out of bed. The extra-thick waterproof flock top adds comfort, while the sure-grip bottom prevents unwanted sliding. Constructed with multi-layer puncture-resistant eco-friendly PVC, this mattress is built to last. Available in various sizes, it is ideal for both home and camping use.